Well, well, well. JPEG's here. Look what I have to eat today. Look what I have to eat today. Went back to IHOP. Got me a chicken quesadilla omelet. I got some grits right here with a poblano pepper. That pepper is hot, but I'm making some red beans tomorrow, and I'm gonna cut that up. I'm gonna put that in my red beans tomorrow. So yeah, that poblano that you seen, I'm gonna cut that up and put that in my red beans and rice tomorrow. I'll be soaking the beans tonight. I'll tell you all about that later on today. All right, y'all see my pepper here? I mean my omelet. I'm gonna take my grits. I'm gonna put the grits all over the omelet. Yes, I have sugar in my grits. Here's the poblano pepper. I don't want to get that poblano pepper in my grits. Yeah, y'all see me doing that. Okay, here's my omelet right here. I know some of y'all gonna be like, ew. I got my Hungry Jack syrup, but I'm gonna use the IHOP pancake syrup. Well, Jason, why are you doing that? I like my omelet sweet. I like the whole sweet and savory aspect of it. So I got the red sauce right here. Red sauce. Yeah. Yep. All right, here we go. Gotta cut it with my spoon. I like eating it with a spoon because all the syrup, you see all that gets on my spoon. Mmm. Oh. It tastes good. Oh, I'm spilling it again. I know I got my poblano pepper, but get some hot sauce. That poblano pepper is hot. That poblano pepper is hot. I mean, ridiculously hot. I didn't think they were that hot. They're hot. You got syrup on there. And just the perfect of being sweet and savory. A lot of y'all are like, oh, I can't believe you put sugar in the grits. Or I can't believe you put syrup all over the omelet. Don't knock it until you try it. And I know y'all saying, yeah, I'll never try that. If you want something good to eat, try it. You know, when you go out to restaurants and you see food, you're like, oh, I'll never eat that. And then something tells you in the back of your head, just try it. And you try it, and you like it. My wife's from Kenya, right? All the seafood and stuff like that, she don't eat all that seafood and stuff like that. Well, we went to a Chinese buffet, and she wound up getting this thing. I'll tell you in a minute. She wound up getting this meal, and she was eating it. She goes, oh man, this is good. I said, baby, you know what you got? She said, what? I said, you got crab. She said, nuh-uh. I said, yeah, you got crab. You just ate a crab. She said, it was good. I said, I told you it was good. I said, eat another one. She goes, nope. I said, why not? She said, I don't like crab. I said, you just said you like crab. She said, I don't want crab. But she liked it. She loved it. She said she loved it. But then she don't want to eat it again. I mean, come on now. But that's what I'm trying to tell you. Just don't knock it until you try it. Make you an omelet one day. Put your salsa on it. If you make a chicken fajita like this one, put your syrup on it. You're going to love it. Put sugar in your grits too. That's a southern thing. I think they cook the chicken too long. It's not nice and moist like chicken should be when you bite into it. When the chicken's cooked correctly, I can eat it with no problem. Even when it's overcooked, I can still eat it. It just takes a little longer to chew. But when the breast is cooked, the chicken's cooked just right, you have no problem with eating it. I know you guys. IHOP is good, but I don't know the chicken's overcooked, the eggs overcooked. I know it's an omelet, but you can still overcook an egg in an omelet. It's like it's, I got the syrup and the salsa and the grits all over it. It's still dry. Like when I eat it, I just taste like I'm not gonna dog them that bad. It's just dry. You can see how dry the eggs are. Yeah, look at this. It's all egg. It's all egg. Look at this. All of this, all of that is just egg. Look, there's the meat and the poblano right here, right on the edge of it. This whole thing is all egg, and they got right on top of it, makes it look like it's stuffed to the fullest, don't it? Man, I didn't notice that at the restaurant, because I would have said something. Yeah, this whole thing is an egg, right at the tippy top. I got poblanos. I don't even know if it was chicken. Let me cut the egg in half. Yep, nothing in there. Nothing. Look at that. All egg. All egg. That's all egg right now. Well, people, that was that. That was a chicken fajita that I tried to eat. I tried to eat. So right now I'm just eating eggs. Peace, love everyone. Forgive and love everyone. No matter what age, race, or gender you are, forgive and love everyone. Okay? Love y'all. Bye.